Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dominoes for Kids is probably one of the most engaging and educational games you can introduce to your children aged 4 to 8. It seamlessly blends fun, learning, fostering critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination, all while sparking their imaginations and encouraging social interaction through collaborative gameplay, making it a perfect choice for family game nights or playtime with friends. Number 5. Spin Master Dominoes. It's a game the whole family can enjoy. The bright colors make it easy for everyone to play, regardless of age or vision. It's more than just a game, it helps kids develop matching and math skills. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. This set comes in a sturdy tin for easy storage and keeps all the pieces organized. They're built to last for years of fun. Create lasting memories with this classic game. It's great for family game nights, camping trips, or anytime you want some fun. You can trust Spin Master for quality games that will provide hours of entertainment for the whole family. It's backed by our care commitment. Inside you'll find 55 dominoes, a handy storage tin, and instructions to get you started. Everything you need for hours of fun. What we like? It's a classic game that's easy for kids to learn and play, thanks to its bright colors and simple rules. It also comes in a handy storage tin, so pieces stay organized. If you're looking for a fun, educational game the whole family can enjoy, this is a great choice for family game nights. What people say. Made of high-quality thick material. They are painted perfectly and are easy to store in their case. Super fun to play with friends and family. The wood domino rack set has been an absolute game changer for our family domino nights. The set includes 4 beautifully crafted wooden trays that make playing dominoes a breeze, especially when playing games like Mexican Train and other domino variations. They provide a stable platform for holding domino tiles, making it easier to organize and see your tiles at a glance. These domino racks have significantly improved our gaming experience. They help to keep the tiles neatly arranged and prevent them from toppling over, which is especially helpful when playing with younger kids. As a fan of classic games, I was thrilled to try out the Spin Master Games Double 9 Dominoes set with storage tin. This set is perfect for both casual and competitive play, offering 55 well-crafted dominoes that feel substantial and satisfying to handle. The dominoes are marked clearly, which makes them easy to read during gameplay. The storage tin not only keeps everything organized but also adds a nostalgic touch to game nights. Number 4. Hape Dynamo Dominoes. It has over 100 colorful wooden pieces. Build your own amazing domino racetrack and watch them fall. It's designed to boost spatial thinking and color recognition. It's a fun way for young engineers to learn and grow. It comes with special features like a bridge and a bell to make the races even more exciting. It adds a lot of fun and drama to the game. They're made of high-quality wood and finished with non-toxic paints. It's a toy that will last for years. It's a proud recipient of the Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Gold Seal Award and the German Consumer Award in 2015. You know it's a great toy. With so many pieces and possibilities, it provides endless hours of creative fun. Kids will love building, racing, and stacking. What we like? This set offers more than just domino toppling. It lets kids build amazing tracks with unique pieces like bridges and a bell. It's a fantastic way to boost their spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills. If you want a toy that sparks creativity and learning through play, this is perfect for your little engineer. What people say. The wooden dominoes are crafted with safety in mind, featuring smooth edges and vibrant, non-toxic paint. The pieces are perfectly sized for little hands, promoting fine motor skills and coordination. The additional trick pieces add such a fun and creative element to a dominoes track. It's a pretty good concept toy with endless possibilities. Definitely fosters creativity and learning with the countless ways to build. Number 3. Wooden Domino Blocks. This is a must-have toy for your child's development. It's fun and engaging for your little one, providing hours of entertainment. It helps children create various patterns, encouraging creativity, enhancing imagination, logical thinking, and hand-eye coordination. It's a great way to learn and play. Playing together is a wonderful opportunity to increase parent-child communication and create lasting memories. It's a chance to connect and have fun. The bright, vibrant colors will easily attract your child's attention. They'll learn to identify colors and improve their creative thinking. Made with high-quality natural wood and non-toxic paint, it's safe and durable. The smooth edges ensure safe play for your child. With 120 pieces, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for building, racing, and imaginative play. What we like? With a large number of pieces, it allows for building various patterns and structures, fostering creativity and imagination. It's made from high-quality wood, ensuring durability for countless hours of play. If you are looking for a toy that encourages creativity and imaginative play, this is a great option for your child. What people say. Perfect for young kids, durable, comes in variety of colors, provides endless ways to entertain, comes with a bag that is easy to grab, is easy to use. The bright colors are good, too, different from regular dominoes. These have kept my daughter busy for hours. It's great for kids' fine motor skills, spark creativity, and limit screen time. Number 2. Toysery Double 6 Dominoes. It's more than just a game, it's a colorful journey into the world of numbers and creativity. Watch children learn math and colors in an unforgettable way. This is a game that brings everyone together. From the youngest to the oldest, it's perfect for creating lasting memories filled with laughter and friendly competition. Learning math has never been so much fun. The color-coded numbers make arithmetic a visual adventure for kids of all ages. They're made from sustainable materials, built to last through countless games. Enjoy hours of fun knowing that they're gentle on the environment. Looking for a unique present? It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They even come in a handy collector's tin. What we like? The bright colors make learning math and colors fun and engaging for kids. It's a great way to bring the whole family together for some quality time. If you're looking for a colorful and educational game that's perfect for all ages, this is a great choice for family game nights. What people say. Great size, colors, and durability of the dominoes. They don't constantly tip over when playing on a card table. Nice colors too, so you don't always have to count the dots. The dominoes are thick and sturdy and have nice weight to them. Number 1. Bulk Dominoes Pro Kit. Get ready for endless fun with this exciting domino kit. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering hours of creative play and learning. This kit comes with 200 dominoes in assorted colors, plus cool accessories like a bridge, spinner, templates, and tracks to build amazing domino runs. These aren't your average dominoes. They're larger and easier to handle, making it perfect for little hands and big creations. It's more than just a game, it's a fantastic way to introduce kids to STEM concepts. They'll learn about physics, engineering, and problem solving while having a blast. With extra accessories like splitters, arcs, and line reactors, the possibilities are endless. Build towering structures, complex chain reactions, and more. This kit is made right here in the heart of Ohio, using sustainable practices and high-quality materials. You can trust its durability and safety. Let your imagination run wild. Build incredible domino displays, experiment with different designs, and watch them topple in a satisfying chain reaction. What we like? It's more than just dominoes, it's a STEM-focused kit that lets kids build complex chain reactions and structures. It comes with extra pieces to enhance the building possibilities. If you are looking for a challenging and educational building toy that will keep your child entertained for hours, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to stand and balance. Very uniform size, shape, and weight, making setup super easy. Highly recommend this set over budget sets that may have more dominoes but are lower quality and aren't as uniform. Comes with a few nice accessories my kid loves to use like a bridge. The dominoes are sturdy and perfectly sized for little hands, with no sharp edges. This set is a wonderful gift that sparks imagination and learning. It's a timeless toy that brings generations together. Such a fun and exciting gift. These dominoes are high quality. This set came with the spacers so that they are the same distance apart as well as a fun ramp. There are so many additional sets and colors. This kit is what the pros on the videos use, and there are endless possibilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.